The fascinating force of gravity. Have you ever thrown a ball into the air and watched it return? Now, look at the moon. It never falls to Earth. Strange, right? Newton thought so too, especially after seeing an apple fall from a tree. He asked, why do some things fall while others stay up? Gravity is an invisible force pulling objects toward each other. It's the reason you stay on the ground and planets orbit the sun. When Newton saw that apple fall, he realized this same force extended far into space, influencing everything, from apples to the moon itself. Here's the trick, the moon is falling, but it's also moving sideways fast enough to keep missing Earth. Newton compared this to throwing a ball so fast that it never lands, it orbits the Earth instead. It's gravity's way of keeping cosmic objects in balance. Newton's curiosity led to the discovery of how gravity works, laying the foundation for understanding space, physics, and engineering. Without his observations, we might still be wondering why the moon doesn't crash, and airplanes don't fall straight down while in flight.
To factors affecting gravity, mass and distance. Imagine dropping a feather and a stone, one falls slower. But what if you were on the moon? Ever wondered why astronauts float in space? Let's uncover the secrets of gravity, what shapes it, and how it changes depending on mass and distance. Gravity's power comes from mass. The larger an object's mass, the stronger it pulls. That's why Earth's gravity is 6 times stronger than the moon's. On the moon, you'd jump much higher. It's not magic, it's mass at work, shaping everything from your weight to planetary motions. Ever felt stronger tugging at magnets when they're closer? Gravity works the same. The farther objects move apart, the weaker the gravitational force. That's why distant stars don't pull us like the sun does, it's all about that tiny denominator in the equation. Gravity boils down to this famous formula. F is the force, G the constant, M and M the masses, and R the distance. Animations bring this to life, each factor changes gravity's effect. Watch how small tweaks to mass or distance shake the universe. Now you know, mass creates the pull, distance defines its reach. Look at the world with fresh eyes, how gravity shapes every step and leap. Share this video with classmates and dive deeper into the universe's most invisible yet powerful force. Let gravity remind you, science is everywhere.